Every day, you promise yourself tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow you'll wake up early. Tomorrow you'll work harder. Tomorrow you'll finally become disciplined. But tomorrow keeps betraying you. Not because you're lazy, but because your nights are destroying your future. The truth is, your life is not built in the morning. It's built in the few hours before you sleep. And these night habits can completely change who you become. Habit 1. Stop feeding your brain. Your brain was never designed to consume infinite stimulation before bed. Every short video, every notification, every random piece of content is training your mind to stay restless, and then people wonder why they feel empty, distracted, and mentally weak. Your mind needs silence, not constant noise. So 1 hour before sleep, disconnect. No scrolling, no pointless content, no chaos, just quiet. Because clarity only comes when the noise finally stops. Habit 2. Plan tomorrow before sleeping. Most people wake up confused. What should I do today? Where do I start? What if I fail again? That uncertainty drains energy. But disciplined people remove decision-making before morning even begins. Every night, write down your top 3 priorities, what time you'll wake up, the one thing you must finish tomorrow. Simple. When your brain knows the mission beforehand, you stop wasting mental energy after waking up, and slowly, you become someone who actually follows through. Habit 3. Spend 10 minutes alone with your thoughts. Most people avoid silence because silence exposes everything. Your fears, your excuses, your wasted potential. That's why people keep distracting themselves. But growth begins the moment you can sit alone, without needing entertainment. So every night, sit quietly for 10 minutes. No music, no phone, no distractions. Just think about your life, your habits, your future. Because a man who understands himself becomes dangerous. Habit 4. Read instead of escaping. Reading before sleep changes your brain differently. It slows your mind down, improves focus, makes you think deeper. But more importantly, books give you perspectives that your current life cannot. One idea from one page can completely change the way you see yourself. Even 10 pages a night matters. Because while others are escaping reality, you're upgrading your mindset. Habit 5. Sleep like your future depends on it. Discipline is impossible when your brain is exhausted. People want motivation while sleeping at 2 a.m. every night. Your brain needs recovery. Your emotions need recovery. Your confidence even depends on recovery. Sleep is not laziness, it's preparation. So stop sacrificing your health for meaningless nighttime habits. Because tomorrow's version of you is being created tonight. Now listen carefully. Your life will not suddenly change one morning. It changes quietly, night after night, habit after habit, decision after decision. The strongest people in the world aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who learned how to control themselves when nobody was watching. So tonight, instead of escaping your life, start rebuilding it one night at a time.